RedBird State recreational area, getting our first set of Jeep Trail Badges of Honor. Super excited. I just crossed into Indiana right now, meeting up with the rest of the crew at the rendezvous point. Alrighty, just made it to the rendezvous point. Everyone's gathering up now. James and Kim from Mojito Jeep. And we are out here with, oh that's right, Neo. You guys ready?
Oh, we're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
I don't know if Neo's ready though.
Huh?
Got Jason right here in the yellow TJ.
You're racist bullshit because I got Mexicans with me. Hey, what's up?
Ron.
Well, I'm not
What's up,
Mexican, and
sir?
I wanted a banana, so
Fabian?
I know.
What's going on, brother?
What's up?
Cheers.
What's up, man?
Hey,
Jessica.
Alright, quick radio check.
Good.
Loud and clear.
Yeah, gotcha.
And we're off 185 miles till we hit RedBird. I've got my cold brew and Dunkin' for breakfast. Necessity. Alrighty, we made it. Ready? Awesome. This is Greg. Say hi, Greg.
Hi, Greg.
Greg drives a two-door TJ. So if you don't see the Jeep behind you or in front of you, just stop and wait or communicate on the radio that there's a holdup. Honk if you need help. No light bars. Anything else?
I left the light bars at home.
2 hands on the wheel, because if you hit a rock, you know, it'll turn the wheel. And if you put your thumbs inside, you'll snap the thumb, so don't do that. That's some fun. All right, so we just finished our first set of trails, and we already have one casualty, Neo. The springs are bowing on the front, so we're taking a look and see what that's all about. And this is what I love about wheeling with a great crew. Everybody jumps in to lend a hand. So we opted to remove the sway bar link and move the sway bar in the upward position. Mark driver. You're good, keep going. Driver. Oh, turn it off. Beautiful, keep going, keep going. Turn passenger as you make that up. Passenger, passenger, passenger. Passenger, turn right passenger. Good, right.
All right, first, don't fucking be cheap on the gas, okay? Don't be. Gas, 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 gas.
Keep going. Keep going, keep going, don't let off. Beautiful. Woo!
Stock Jeep, don't come cheap.
Hey, gang.
This is
Hi.
the trail. Hey, this is really cool.
This is awesome. It's getting some fun.
I'm on the vlog. I'm on the vlog. Driver.
He's clear on this side.
Alrighty, so we're halfway through Trail 5. It's been a bit of carnage so far. We've had our first casualty.
These guys are trying to kill me and Neo.
So we got the first little bit of damage right here. Right there. These are some really
Mall crawling.
mall crawling.
I think that was a shopping cart.
That's
That
right.
never happens when we're at the mall.
This is what we call a true trail badge of honor, right? So these trails are actually super, super tight.
Trail rated.
Trail rated, there you go. So trying to fit a JT through them, it's been quite the challenge.
Driver, as much as you can. Now adjust it.
What?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You almost broke your tail light. You did break your tail light.
Ah, shit.
Sorry.
It's all right.
Just another trail badge of honor. Little crack.
No crack?
And if you think that was bad, well, stay tuned. It gets worse. After getting Ron's JL through, it was all hands on deck to get the Gladiator through, and it wasn't pretty. How many miles we got in there?
There's no
955.
955
And we're
miles.
using it.
from this.
Trail damage right
You know
here.
what I would do? Try to get like a 3-amp clear wrap after you're done with
Wrap peeled off a little bit. We got a dent in the body right here.
That's battle scars.
You stuck? Can I yank you with my Gear America tow strap?
This is not a good route. There's a deep pit right here, and that's not good.
We're breaking out all the tools today.
Get to you. See, it's a good thing I threw it out. Although they have one too.
Yeah, there's lots of winches.
So we went to a mud pit. Now my tires look like donuts because we're kicking mud.
I got it on the edge.
Take a closer look. Yeah, they look like donuts.
I would think so. Yeah. Oh yeah, it definitely does.
Yeah, they do.
This is why we hate mud.
Back up though so you can give them
All right. Clear the line.
yeah, give them some more line and back up. Yeah, guys, have you guys ever seen one of those break?
Yeah.
Come back away from that. Keep going, keep going. Go, stay there.
Just as we thought, RedBird was going to be a total mud fest given all the rain that we just had. We got Greg stuck in the bushes trying to create a detour, so we've got Neo over here recovering him. Greg is all the way in there. You may be able to see him. Well, we gave it a try. This is just not good. That's a mess. This is why we don't go mud. So that didn't go as well as we planned. We got stopped dead in our tracks by this one mud pit that claimed a couple of us, including me. Check that out. I am just caked. I will say one thing that I don't like, the trails are not marked, so you don't exactly know where you're going and what trail you're on. So that really complicates things. And the fact that it's raining does not help at all. Everything became a total mess. Yes, you're gonna drop on the left. Big drop. Okay, straighten out now. Driver, hard driver. Good. Beautiful. A little more. Right there. And thanks to peer pressure, I thought it was a great idea to take it down Powerline Hill. Right after we just had a torrential downpour. It was not pretty.
Up. He got real tippy, but he did it.
Alrighty, so that's a wrap. We just gassed up the Jeeps, aired them up. You guys had fun? So now we're looking for a place to eat on the way home. It'll be like a 4-hour drive, so I'm not looking forward to that. I have to say that Neo was definitely the star of the show today. This Jeep performed so exceptionally well, giving that 4.5-inch lift, 40-inch tires. There was a little bit of trail damage right there. You can't see it because it's covered in mud, but the wrap was peeled off. Body panel was dented in. This whole fender got crushed in and was bent. The mirror got some love too. can't see it because everything's covered in mud. But for those of you that are thinking about bringing the JT out to RedBird, not a good idea. Although they were closed for a few months this past spring, apparently doing trail maintenance. We didn't see much trail maintenance. These trails were way too narrow. They were poorly marked. All right, so overall impression of RedBird, well, it was fun, but would I recommend it? No. It was cool and all, but the 4.5 hour drive just wasn't worth it. You know, it's basically the Badlands, but much tighter trails. Seeing that they're Jeep Badge of Honor trails, you think that they would get more attention and maintenance and maybe some labeling so people would know where they are and what they are. So I feel like half the trip today was trying to figure out where we are and where we're going and what trail we're on and so forth. That's how we end the trip. Thank you guys for coming out. Had a great time. Thank you, everyone. Until next time. Woo! All right. There's Neo. Still got 2 hours to go before we hit Chicago. It's been a long day. About 9 hours of driving. 7 hours of wheeling. Some great Mexican food and very large margaritas later. And wiped. Overall, we had a great time. With a great crew. I'd say the only person that really took some damage was Neo, the JT, James and Kim. You know, sorry that happened. It's just that JT is just really long, and it made getting through some of those narrow trails really difficult. That long wheelbase just killed it. I mean, there were some that even I had trouble through, and I have a short wheelbase, so just imagine, you know, putting something almost twice as long through there. And the fact that it rained just made everything that much more difficult. The rock garden was pretty cool towards the end, but again, everything was so slippery, turned all to mud. We tried flexing on some rocks, but just couldn't make it up the rocks. It's a cool park, but we can get the same kind of stuff at the Badlands, you know. Granted, we did get 4 badges of honor with Jeep, so that's pretty cool, but was it worth it? I don't think so. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it gives you some insight whether or not you should hit up RedBird State Recreational Area. Until next time, Merch D, signing off.